Good morning, guys. So today we're going to be talking about ending sounds again. So remember yesterday we talked about ending sounds and we said that if it's the ending sound, it's the last sound that you say when you say the word. So today we're going to play a game where I'm going to give you two words, and if the ending sound is the same, you have to raise your hands up and wave them around, okay? So my first two words are tag. So the ending sound in tag is g, because the last sound I'm saying is g. Tag. The ending sound is g. All right. My next word is bag. What's the ending sound in bag? What's the last sound I said? Bag. That's right. The ending sound is g. So tag and bag both have the same ending sound. So wave your hands around. Woo! Those are a match. Tag and bag, they have the same ending sound. Those are also rhyming words because remember, if the ending sound is the same, they are rhyming words. All right, let's try another pair. My first word is can. Can. What's the last sound I said when I said can? That's right, the n sound. All right, what about man? Man. What's the last sound I say in man? Very good. So can and man, do those have the same ending sound? Yes. Wave your hands around. Woo! Can and man have the same ending sound. All right. And our last set of words, we have cat, cat. What's the ending sound? It's the last sound I say when I say cat. That's right, the t sound is the ending sound. And I have frog. Frog. What's the ending sound or the last sound that I say in frog? That's right, the ending sound is g. So is cat and frog the same? Do they have the same ending sound? No, they have different ending sounds. Cat ends with the t sound, and frog ends with the g sound. Y'all have a good day.